Hi, this is Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island, and today I'm going to take you through a new boat from Aviara. This is the AV36 outboard. Starting off on the boat's transom, full walk-through transom, very easy to get from the port side to the starboard side with comfortable sea deck flooring. Reboarding ladders on the starboard side as well. This boat is powered by triple 300 Verados. These are the naturally aspirated V8 4.6 liter engines with joystick control. One of several social zones on board. This is the aft lounge area. Great sunbed with headrests that you can also convert into what we call stadium style seating. So all the way across, we've got back support and elevated seating here with these bar stools. So you can seat 3 couples here with an elevated perspective of the water. Everybody has a place to sit. They're not all stacked on top of each other. If you've got kids in the water, you can see them making sure that they're safe and having a good time. Cup holders on either side of the seating area. Beneath these seats, we've got a lot of good storage. Our battery switches are located here along with our shore power connections. We have our freshwater fill and a freshwater sprayer located back here, along with the connection for the outboard flushing system that will flush all 3 engines at the same time. Entering the cockpit, we've got a switch here for lights, so you can illuminate the boat and shut it down when you leave. Dedicated storage for fenders that don't otherwise take up space that you can use for beach bags, life jackets, other items on board. Really intentional flow throughout the boat with a starboard side entry and a port side access to the bow. Wet bar area includes a trash receptacle here. Got a 110 volt outlet for the entertainment space. Huge countertop, great for serving. Also have a Kenyon electric grill, a glove box or cooler box area here that is drained, so you can use it to hold ice. And then you have freshwater sink, bottle storage for champagne or wine, and this also makes for a great cooler as well. Beneath the countertops, we've got cabinet style storage and a pull out refrigerator freezer drawer and a portable cooler that slides out on a track. L-shaped seating within the cockpit with great storage beneath. Storage beneath this seat as well. Goes all the way back, so it's great for longer items or larger items like bow shades, storage canvas. This backrest can rotate to face aft or forward. Very comfortable place to sit throughout the boat with nice high backrest, sculpted cushions, cup holders, lots of charging ports for your phones. Also have another trash can that you can access via this billet aluminum door here, so you can throw away an empty can without having to displace a passenger. And you can also access the trash can just by lifting the seat. Coming over to the helm area, you have double wide helm seating. It's very comfortable whether you're using this as a leaning post or if you drop the seat down for a more traditional bow rider position. And then a lot of space for your observer. Very comfortable here as well. Great setup at the helm with our electronics. Port side display gives us our features on board that we can switch from up here. So, for example, this boat has the make fast shade. It comes on the aft end of the hardtop. Deploys very quickly. It's also very quiet. There's stainless steel stanchions that come with the boat where you can support the shade, to where that will allow you to have it deployed while you're running and make sure that it's stable. We've also got an engine compartment that is electronically actuated that we can raise and lower. We have chilled cup holders at the helm, windlass anchor control up front, windshield wiper, in addition to our sound system controls, lights for the boat, and then things like bilge pumps, freshwater pumps, raw water pumps. The center screen is our chart plotter and sonar. It's a SIMRAD unit. That's the same unit as this smaller SIMRAD, so you can have the same information on either screen. So if you wanted engine data on the larger screen, you can do that as well. And otherwise, the far right screen is typically used for engine data, but again, you can put anything that you want it up to on the display. Trim tabs with LED indicators that show where those tabs are positioned. Another charging port for your phones. Digital throttle and shift with those V8 Verados, along with joystick control that's very intentionally placed and located. You've got a padded glove box here that also houses the VHF radio, and your ignitions are conveniently located just down below. Before we go down to the cabin, another great seat right here is this forward-facing port side seat. Conveniently located grab rail for safety. Plenty of cup holders as well. Door to the head is very heavy and solid and has a magnetic catch. You can see we've got a porthole here for ventilation. A lot of good headroom on this boat. This boat does have a generator with air conditioning, television, soundbar, microwave. Our distribution panel is in here, along with some cabinetry for storage. You got a skylight. So great space to overnight in if you needed to, but also a great space for the kids to get out of the sun or the weather. Also just a great place to store anything you need to down here. Great headroom inside the head. You have a full-size mirror, pull-out shower on the sink, and then a toilet, porcelain toilet as well. Coming forward to the bow, we do have the ability to block off the cockpit from the bow area by locking this door into place and closing the windshield. Keeps the wind out on those colder running days in the fall and the winter down here in Charleston. Very deep gunnels up here in the bow, so kids are going to feel very safe and secure. Nice high backrest, very comfortable place to sit. Cup holders, clip sound system throughout the boat. You can see how seamless Aviara integrates the speakers, so it's very clean. Again, more charging ports, stereo remote, great lighting throughout the boat as well. And then deep locker for your anchor windlass. Has a remote control up here, in addition to your controls back at the helm. And also a conveniently placed washdown sprayer up here as well. All the materials are a billet aluminum material. This one is in a silver satin finish. And that is a look at Aviara's AV36 outboard. Again, I'm Carl Anderson with MarineMax Charleston off Daniel Island. If you have any questions about this boat or any of our others, give us a call at 843-747-1889. And always check us out online at marinemax.com. Thanks for watching.